Here is crazy example 3. In example 3 here, what we need to see is these 9 angles all over the place. And we have 2 sets of parallel lines here. Parallel line here and here, parallel line here and here, and then we've got this line that intersects all of it. So we've got a big mess going on, but our goal is to find these 9 angles. They give us 78 degrees here and 22 degrees down low. So the question is, what are the other 9 angles? I'm going to start with 78 degrees, and if I know this is 78 degrees, I know this one right here is 78 degrees as well, just from our vertically opposite angles. If I take 360 all the way around here and cut it in half, 180 minus 78 gives me 102 degrees right here for number 1. And that means that this angle, 102, must also be angle 7. That's also 102. All right, where do we go from here? I'm going to stay up in this region because I know that I see corresponding angles right there. So that's 102 as well, which makes 8 102 as well. And if this is 102 here and I draw that line that splits the circle, this one here must be 78 degrees, and this one over here must be 78 degrees. So angle 4 is 78, which makes angle 6 78 degrees over here because of corresponding angles. So I'm pretty good so far. What else do I got? Well, right here must be 102 because of, again, splitting that circle, the 360 right here in half. 78 here gives me 102 here, and that tells me that 3 must be 102 because of corresponding angles, which actually makes 2 be 78 degrees that we had before. Another rule that we can know that is because look at 78 right here, and 2 make an alternate interior angle. So that's another help right there. All right, I'm left with 2 angles left to go. That is angle 5 right here and angle 9 right here. Well, one thing I could do is look at this whole angle right here. I know that this right here, the double dash, is 102, which means that this right here has to be a vertically opposite angle of 78. But this whole 78 is already taken up with 22 degrees for number 9. So that means that this must be 56 degrees because 56 and 22 will give me 78. So now the question is, what is going on with angle 5 here? And I see it. I see it right here. I see a Z shape right there. So this looks like an alternate interior angle with this 22 degree angle right there. So those 3 dashes for 22 are the same as 5 over here. So these can look intimidating, but if you follow the rules and know how to add up your angles and make sure they're 180 or 360, you'll be just fine.